Here are some advanced approaches you can try to fix the Roblox unable to send friend request error. Check Roblox status. Visit the Roblox status page linked to status.roblox.com and see if there are any ongoing friend request functionality issues. If there are, sending friend requests might be temporarily unavailable. Review account restrictions. Log into your Roblox account settings and check for any restrictions on your account. You might have accidentally enabled privacy settings that prevent sending friend requests. Temporary account block. In rare cases, Roblox might temporarily block your account from sending friend requests due to suspicious activity. This could be because of sending too many requests too quickly. Wait 24 to 48 hours and try again. Network connectivity issues. Unstable internet connection can sometimes cause errors. Try restarting your router or modem, or switching to a different network, if possible, to see if it resolves the issue. Report the bug. If none of the above solutions work, consider reporting the bug directly to Roblox. Search for Roblox support, or visit the Roblox help page to find the appropriate channel for bug reporting. Alternative methods, if applicable. If you know the other user's username, you might be able to search for them directly and send a friend request from their profile page, depending on their privacy settings. If playing a game together, some games allow adding friends directly within the game interface, again, depending on the specific game's features. Important note: avoid using third-party tools or exploits to bypass Roblox's friend request system. These methods can violate Roblox's terms of service and potentially lead to account bans. By trying these steps, you can hopefully resolve the issue and start sending friend requests on Roblox again. Remember, if the problem persists, reporting the bug to Roblox can help them identify and fix the underlying cause.